President Hassan Sheikh Mahmoud, Other Excellencies, distinguished participants, thank you very much for having me here. As we conclude the 6th Leadership and Innovation Summit here, on behalf of UNDP, I take the privilege, appreciate, and to thank the organizers, namely Arkan Leadership and Innovation Hub, Somali Youth Leadership and Initiative Center, Ministry of Communication and Technology, other government partners, private sectors, youth innovators who are at the center stage, who has brought the energy, ideas, commitment to this platform, and indeed made this leadership summit, the Innovation Summit 2025, a success. So congratulations to all of you. I just want to say that what I believe, I'm still youth in my heart, not by age. But I must say that empowered youth, innovative ideas, and bold leadership together are basically the ingredients and the driving force for Somalia from challenges to lasting opportunities. And in this August gathering, I must say it demonstrates with the vision of the youth and the senior leadership of this country. Thank you very much. I really would also like to share the privilege that UNDP is with you in this journey in taking forward the youth innovation and the entrepreneurship, because we also believe where ideas can grow into solutions and solutions can scale into impact. And that's what is very much important here in our perspective. UNDP Somalia is indeed constantly championed innovations as a driver of inclusive development, aligning with Somalia's National Transformation Plan and Vision 2060. And indeed, our approach is leveraging cutting-edge technology, none to say that leveraging digitalization, innovation, and partnership with all stakeholders. Let me also share 2 innovations that we have taken in partnership with different government ministries. For example, Ministry of Communication and Technology, different youth organizations, such as Accelerated Lab. This was tested out and proven to encourage the youth to take initiatives and go beyond. Data innovation for resilience. We have supported in really having a climate platform with the youth so that they can engage themselves and talk about the climate challenges the country and the globe is facing. Transformation, and this is part of the whole government's vision when it comes to digital transformation. We are supporting the Ministry of Commerce to look into the digital readiness to bring about new technologies like AI and other cutting-edge technologies. I must say that in today's day and age, innovation matters not just for Somalia, for everyone and each of us. And it's not as a luxury, but now it's a necessity. And we believe that given the fact of different challenges, the shocks starting from climate to different economic opportunities, it is important that innovations that can turn challenges into opportunities and give young people the tools to design the future they deserve. I just want to quote one Steve Jobs. I'm sure that many of us, most of us, are inspired, who was the co-founder for the Apple. And he said, innovation distinguishes between a leader and followers. And I believe that it resonates for this two-day summit very much, because Somalia's challenges and multifaceted challenges that, starting from, as I've mentioned, cannot be addressed by following traditional, old patterns, conventional solutions. We need to go beyond. By embracing innovation, Somalia youth and leaders become drivers to change rather than passive observers. This summit celebrates that spirit. It is not just about identifying problems, but about empowering the leaders, the youth leaders in particular, to innovate, take risks, and chart a path toward a thriving Somalia. Last but not the least, I must say that when young people lead with courage and innovate with purpose, our nation doesn't just rise. Its future is rewritten. Thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.